question is coming on BSE. This is Manoj writing from Mumbai. First, let me come to you, Mr. Dakuna. What are the fundamentals looking like for these capital market theme stocks? Lately, at least in this week, we have seen a lot of pressure coming on these stocks. Do you expect this downside to continue for the longer term as well? What is your view here?
As far as the capital market stocks are concerned, like BSE and various other companies which have all their fortunes linked to the capital markets, the longer term trend is very positive because, as the number of investors grow and as the interest and exposure in the capital markets grow from both institutional as well as retail investors, we will see considerable growth opportunities for these companies. However, in anticipation of this huge growth a couple of years ago, when the number of Demat accounts started to rise and the retail interest sort of boomed into this segment, we saw a lot of investors come in, and that drove the valuations, significantly higher than their fundamental value. And based on that, you're seeing some correction, as well as SEBI has taken certain measures in terms of trying to curb the volatility in the futures and options, especially for the retail investors, which will bring down volumes in that space in the near term. So given this background, I think there's still some possibility that you may see a further correction or at least a tapering of prices and maybe consolidation for a time period. And if one looks at investing, one should wait for the time period correction and then invest during that period, because longer term upside is going to be significantly higher from here.